In this course, you're going to realize that all sewing machines make a stitch the same way, and that there are a lot of things that are identical about how they are set up. But at the same time, I'm going to keep on telling you to look at your manual. Why? Because there are small differences that can make a big difference. For example, even though the top threading path, the needle thread, is essentially the same for every sewing machine, I've threaded so many machines I can usually guess at how to thread one I haven't seen before. But there are sometimes small differences that have a huge effect on how well a machine works. Sometimes there are settings, like being able to lower the feed dogs, that you might accidentally switch. And if you don't know you have that setting, you wouldn't know that you could fix a problem that's just a switch that needs to be turned. There are also recommendations about needles and bobbins and thread in your manual, and sometimes even things that your machine can do that you didn't even know it could do. Really, you'd be surprised at what you didn't realize your machine can do. If you don't have your manual anymore, or if it's used and didn't come with one, you can use Google to find a PDF of your manual. You will just need to know the manufacturer and the model number. The sites listed below are for all the major manufacturers. Since I've just bought a new machine for filming this course, I also know that nowadays manufacturers don't necessarily include a manual in the box anymore. Do what you have to do to get an actual manual, whether on paper or digitally. It's really important to have that manual to reference as you're going through the course and in your future sewing.